Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to be talking about the signaler indicator again. Now, as I said in previous videos, there is a 7-day free trial going on, so don't forget to click the links in the description to get involved in that. I've shown you wins on Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold, and today I'm going to show you a sell that I took on the Nasdaq yesterday that bagged me some nice profits. Now, this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. Let's jump to the charts. So we are currently on the Nasdaq, and to get this indicator on your chart, click invite only, put the signaler on, and this will come up on your chart. Now, if you're struggling to grow your social media, there is a platform out there that I personally have used, and I know that every other YouTuber has used themselves. Now, the sponsor is SMM Go, and if you go there today, you can see that you can change whatever social media you have into an absolute rocket ship. They're going to help you every single step of the way. You'll get real service with real speed with an honest and transparent service. So guys, if you're looking to boost your social media and you just haven't got the time or you don't know where to start, then SMM Go is the place for you. Go to smmgo.io today. The links are in the description below. Go ahead, get started and boost that social media. Let's get back to the video. Now, this indicator, the signals anyway, are based on a volume basis, okay? So you can use that in confluence with your technical analysis. So if we're looking at the chart right now, you've got a boss plus. That means you are bullish in swing. Okay, now the general concept of that is if you're bullish in swing, you're just in a bullish wave. So what goes up must come down before going back up again. Okay, so as you pass this area, this is when I'm interested in taking sells. I don't really want to be buying at the swing high. It doesn't make sense. No one ever says buy when the price is high or sell when the price is low. Yeah, just basic rules, right? And with that in mind, I will be looking for a sell. So the Nasdaq gave a big candle here with a strong wick. And like I said, this is based on volume, this indicator. TP1, TP2, TP3 is basically 1R, 2R, 3R. The stop loss is based on the average true range, okay? So reasonable place to have your stop loss, but if you're feeling more aggressive, just stick it behind the high. Completely up to you, but we're just going to go over what the indicator says. So we're going to put our stop loss behind the average true range. TP1, TP2, TP3. Now I don't want to shoot for TP3. It's too far. I'm basically betting that the range is going to be broken and we're going to shoot bearish, and it's just not what I want to shoot for. TP1, very easy, very reasonable. TP2, you know, quite realistic to take all this liquidity before pushing back up again. It's absolutely fine. So when we're in this, we're looking to take a sell. So I'm going to aim for TP2. So as we play this out, you can see you get a big reaction. TP1 already hit. Now, one thing with the strategy, like I said, you're going to have a trailing stop loss. You hit TP1, so you move your stop loss to entry. I don't particularly love doing this, as I'm not a big fan of managing trades. I just like to set and forget. It's how I've always been. So I'm not going to do that, okay? But if you're just to play it a little bit further, we end up smashing through it. So your stop loss would have been saved anyway. We do break that boss point, but as you can see, TP3 wasn't quite hit, and it just sort of ranges. It's the end of the day, okay? So, you know, in terms of where I was aiming, I was happy with it. It's 2R, super simple for me, and it was just given to me, right? And if we're putting that into monetary terms, I was risking 1%, I gained 2%. So if you've got a $100,000 account, you're risking $1,000, you've gained $2,000. And that's enough. 2%, people take your hand off to gain 2% a month, let alone a day. And these signals are given every day. Now, as I said, there is a 7-day free trial that you can get involved in. It costs you nothing, so it doesn't hurt to just put it on your chart and try it out. If you love it, grab the lifetime bundle for $597. You'll make that money back anyway with your wins. It was $1,300. It's over 50% discount. That is not going to last forever. So the quicker you trial it, the better chance you have of keeping this price to purchase it. So as you can see, guys, this indicator works on most pairs, which is fantastic for you. Now, there is a 7-day free trial going on, and don't forget to click those links in the description to get involved in that. And as I said before, this is perfect for ICT, SMC traders who just want to have a decent indicator on their chart to just basically give them their analysis. So don't forget, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can be alerted on my next video.